Tourism brings people together, and this year's TIAC Tourism Congress is doing just that. In person and online, join tourism colleagues for 2 days of networking, learning, and connecting, November 30th to December 1st, 2021. Featuring Beth Potter, TIAC's President and CEO, presenting TIAC's annual leadership report. Potter will unveil TIAC's strategic roadmap to rally the industry to recovery. Together, we are stronger. Join us. Register today at tourismcongress.ca.